Hi everybody, today I'm unboxing something really fun, something that I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to crochet those little tiny animals that you see, and so I broke down and I succumbed to all the PR that the Woobles were doing, and I bought some. So here's what I got. I got Scooter the raccoon. He comes with a lot of good stuff after I finish doing that. Sebastian the lion. Fred the dinosaur. Pierre the penguin. And last but not least, Rainbow Billy the unicorn. I think the penguin is where I'm going to start because I've heard that this is one of the most simple kits to do. So, okay, so let's open and see what's inside Perry. You got the stuffing. The instructions, very important. At least I assume they're the instructions. Anything else? Nope, that's it. Okay, so then you've got the purple yarn, and up here you've got stitch markers. Quick addition, not only were those stitch markers, but, and I'm not sure if you can see this, but they actually started the penguin for you and then left you where you insert your crochet hook to start the next round. Now that is cool because the magic ring is something I always have to look up to start, so that's cool. Yellow yarn, white yarn, black, and a crochet hook. And let's see what's inside here. You've got a card, and then on the back of the card is a QR code with what to do and the password to get it started. So I'm not going to show you that because I don't think they'd want me to. A darning needle to sew everything together, and then there's more in there. I think they fell out. The eyes. So cool. Can't wait to get started.